Welcome back, guys, to another video. We're here at Styles' Backyard Trails, and we're just going to go over today, see what was damaged. We're going to do a little bit of digging today, try to fix some stuff up. It was all underwater, wasn't it, Styles? The water level was about that, Styles reckons.
Yeah,
flowing,
maybe a little bit lower than that. But
maybe a bit lower. So around there, so most of the jumps were about 50% underwater, and it was coming through here pretty fast. I saw the videos on Styles' Instagram, and I actually thought there was going to be nothing left because there was a lot of water. Like you guys saw Strath, but somehow everything here has survived. Well, somewhat. Like there's just little bits of damage here and there. So the first one is just like a little crater on the side here. The first slip copped at the worst. Like that's literally the worst damage out here. This jump we want to change anyway. We'll probably start that soon. I'm not going to be digging out here as much. Styles will probably be doing all this stuff on his own. Unfortunately, I'll come out here and there and help you out, but because we need to get Bond's jumps done, we're going to try and get them done before summer. So that's
get out to Strath one day soon.
Yeah, and then we also got to get out to Strath soon and get something going there. So I think Styles has got this covered. Just another little chunk out of it. Yeah. Even the berm down the back, we'll have a look at that now actually. That's still there somehow. So yeah, the berms are actually looking mint. Somehow perfect. Like most of the jumps don't even look like any water even came through here, which is pretty crazy. This would have been go. Styles put a lot of work into this one.
Yeah, I just spent a really long time digging this, and we haven't even ridden it yet at all.
Yeah, we actually haven't ridden this yet.
Since I've built it up anyway, we haven't ridden it.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy it didn't leave.
Yeah, keen on testing that. And then over on the other side, like the resi and those other little jumps, they're fine as well. We'll be able to have 6 sessions out here in summer because really there's not much to get going again.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a bit of digging tonight. Yeah, next video out here we'll definitely be riding, I reckon. Right, that's it for this video. Styles has killed it on the landing, as you can see behind me. Finished it up the other night. It's looking sick. That's all we have time for. Since we're doing 2 videos a week, this is the Wednesday upload. Tune in next Monday for another upload. So we're going Monday, Wednesday. Comment down below what you want to see. What are we going to do next video out here, Styles? That one.
Yeah, build that lip.
We're gonna, that lip there right there, we're gonna tear that down next video, make another one, make it bigger, make it better. Styles has some cool ideas. The first one, it's a lot bigger. How much bigger would it be? You're a 6 foot-ish.
Oh yeah, you're about the same height.
Yeah,
Little
lip takeoff.
I thought the lip was large. The landing is really large, isn't it?
Yeah, the landing's big.
Size of this fella.
Oh shit, yeah.
That is pretty high.
That's probably almost 7 foot.
Considering we excavated it all with shovels.
Yeah, it's pretty good effort. guys.
Fine, yeah?
Yeah, it's good enough, I
It
reckon.
took us about a week, you know?
Yeah. So tune in next video out here. We'll have, might even test this first one. Comment down below if you reckon it's gonna work. It'll work easy, I reckon. Alright, that's it. If you want to support the videos, go to the website, link in the description, and we'll see you next Monday.